Hello my dear student, today in this video I am going to explain the political science chapter 2 International Organization, the United Nations Organization and others. The objectives of the United Nations and its organs. After the First World War in 1914, the League of Nations was formed. Means First World War pasot eta league form kora hoy. League means a collection of people and they collected the people from the nation or the country. Country ba nation or people kini collect kori pelai they formed a league and they formed a league to ensure world peace. Ensure means to make certain that will occur. Ki occur hobo laibo world peace and to stop wars in future. Aru ki koribo bicharise they try to stop wars in future. But because of its failure, the World War II broke out in 1939. The magnitude of the devastation brought by the Second World War made the world population so scared. Magnitude means the great size and devastation means great destruction. Mane Second World War jikhini destruction hol tar size to bahut besi aru heikhiniye world population khinik bahut bhoy khwale. They made the world population so scared. So they restarted thinking about the formation of another world organization. যিহেতু ফাৰ্ষ্ট লীগ অফ নেশ্যন যিটো ফৰ্ম কৰিছিলে সেইটো ফেইলাৰ হৈ গ'ল সো তাহাঁতি আকৌ ভাবিলে যে দে ট্ৰাই টু ফৰ্ম দে আনাদাৰ ৱৰ্ল্ড অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন As a result, another world organization, namely the United Nations Organization, was formed on 24th October 1945. Means in 1945, 24th October, they organized another world organization and this organization name is United Nations Organization. Altogether, 51 states put their signature to the UN Charter in the San Francisco Conference. Charter means a written grant by the sovereign or legislative power of a country by which a body is founded its rights. Means San Francisco Conference ekeloge 51 states UNO jikhon charter tat signature korile and thus the UNO came into being. Tar pasot United Nations Organization form hol. And since the birth, it has been doing its best to save the people of the world from the danger of another world war. Aru jetiar pura UNO formed hoise, birth hoise, tetiar pura tahati nijor best work koribole try korise. And their best work is to save the people. Mane people kini save koribo lage kor pura from the danger of another world war. Mane ako ekhon jate world war nohoy he danger pa tahatok save koribo karone try korise. The people of the world observe the day of birth of the UNO, that is the 24th October, as the UN Day all over the world. Means 24th October means United Nations Day. At present, 193 member states are engaged in the UNO and the head office of the UNO is situated at New York in the United States of America. There are altogether 111 articles in the UN Charter. How many articles in the UN Charter? 111 articles. And in its very first article, 4 objectives of the UNO have been incorporated. And in its first article, there are 4 main objectives. And they are: number 1, to maintain international peace and security. Mane international peace and security maintain koribo lage. Number 2, to establish friendship among all countries of the world on the basis of equal rights and self-determination. Mane friendship এষ্টাব্লিছ কৰিব লাগে সকলোখিনি কাণ্ট্ৰিৰ মাজত আৰু সেই ফ্ৰেণ্ডশ্বিপৰ বেচিছটো কিহৰ ওপৰত নিৰ্ভৰ কৰিব of the equal rights and self-determination. Determination means the quality of being determined. Number 3, to bring about solutions of the existing economic, social and cultural problems and disputed issues. Means যিখিনি ইকনমিক ছ'চিয়েল কালচাৰেল প্ৰব্লেম আৰু ডিছপিউট চলি আছে সেইখিনি ছল্ভ কৰিবলৈ ট্ৰাই কৰিব লাগে আৰু সেইখিনি ছল্ভ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে কি আমি বেচিছ ল'ব লাগিব according to the basis of the international cooperation মানে সকলোখিনিৰ মাজতে cooperation থাকিব লাগিব so that each and every individual person becomes able to enjoy human rights and fundamental rights যাতে সকলো মানুহে human rights আৰু fundamental rights enjoy কৰিব পাৰে Last one, number 4, to perform as a center of excellence to establish good and cordial relations among various countries. মানে center of excellence হিচাপে perform কৰিব লাগিব যাতে good and cordial means warm and friendly relations আমি establish কৰিব পাৰোঁ between different countries to achieve the aforesaid objectives. Aforesaid means the things which are previously mentioned in the UN Charter. The next topic is the principles of the UNO. The number 1 is the UNO is established on the principle of equal sovereignty of all member countries. Means UNO কিহৰ ওপৰত depend কৰি establish কৰা হৈছে on the principle of equal sovereignty of all member countries. মানে সকলো কাণ্ট্ৰিৰ মাজতে equal supreme and absolute power থাকিব Number 2, all the member states shall perform their own duties and responsibilities. মানে যিখিনি member states আছে তাহাঁতি নিজৰ duties আৰু responsibilityখিনি perform কৰিব by obeying the rules as mentioned in the UN Charter. আৰু সেই ৰুলছখিনি ক'ত মেনশ্যন কৰা আছে UN Charterত Number 3, all the member states of the UNO shall settle all the disputes peacefully and without affecting international peace, security and justice. মানে যিখিনি member states আছে তাহাঁতি যিখিনি disputes বা wars মানে fights হৈ আছে সেইখিনি solve কৰিব peacefully আৰু সেইখিনি solve কৰে তাহাঁতি এটো মন কৰিব লাগিব যাতে international peace, security আৰু justice বিলাকত কোনো effect নহয় Number 4, in the interest of maintaining cordial international relations, all members shall refrain. Refrain means to stop oneself from doing something, from threat or use of force against any state. Means cordial relation ৰক্ষাৰ স্বাৰ্থত সকলো মেম্বাৰ ষ্টেটে যিকোনো এখন ষ্টেট বা ৰাজ্যৰ এগেইনষ্টত ফ'ৰ্চ বা শক্তি প্ৰয়োগ কৰাৰ পৰা আঁতৰি থাকিব লাগিব বিৰত থাকিব লাগিব Then last one, number 5, the member states shall extend help and support to the UNO if and when the UNO asks for. Means member states বিলাকে UNO লৈ সহায়ৰ হাত আগবঢ়াব লাগিব যদিহে UNO এ আগ্ৰহ কৰে বা তেওঁলোকক জনায় Then as in the UN Charter and no member state would extend help or support to the particular state or states that are facing UNO's punitive action. Means UN Charterৰ মতে যি ষ্টেটছে UNOৰ punishment punitive means the punishment action face কৰি আছে তেনে ষ্টেট বা ৰাজ্যক কোনো মেম্বাৰ ষ্টেটে হেল্প বা ছাপোৰ্ট কৰিব নোৱাৰিব What we learned today? First, we learned about that UNO was formed on 24th October 1945. Then the people of the world observed 24th October as the UN Day all over the world. Then the head office of the UNO is situated at New York in the United States of America. There are altogether 111 articles in the UN Charter. In its very first article, 4 objectives of the UNO have been incorporated. And last one,
We also learned about the principles of the UNO.